right here. There's just 3 of you and Alexia. There's 4 of you. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so
What is this thing? I see no title.
we made a Monster Spray tank. This thing can hold 5,000 gallons.
Nice.
It's a giant tank. It's like the size of this room. Okay. The first thing is 2 gallons of putting yourself into someone else's shoes.
So important.
Like figure out like getting their thoughts on it.
Love it.
Then 30 gallons of logic. 100 gallons of love.
Oh, love's important. Oh, 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of kindness.
Is that all? Just 1 tablespoon?
I guess 20 gallons of credibility.
Nice.
And 2 gallons of constructive criticism.
Ooh, that's a new one we didn't have up there. That's great. That's handy.
Yep, and
Very
then
nice.
Here's our tape models. Here's one of them, and here's the other. One of them is.
And how is that Monster Spray going to get out to the world? You're going to blast it from the tank. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Full force. I like that. Yes. Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then, Evie, will you get up there and tell us about the world a little bit?
Oh,
And that
okay,
satellite thing?
Yeah, so it's a satellite, and since ours is we have a ton of gallons of each thing, the satellite is spraying it over there.
The Earth, it's going to drop the Monster Spray of the Earth in one big fell swoop.
Yeah.
Yeah, snap them out. Nice job. Then, is this your recipe for Monster Spray against horriblism?
Yeah, horriblism is just a really big deal nowadays. So what me and my team mostly made.
Wait, where's your team? Where's your team?
I don't know. They didn't show up.
Raise your hand, team.
Yeah, see, the other one barely even tried. Yeah. So, as you can tell, I put a lot of effort and time into this as they pick their nose on the side. I put 5 teaspoons of patience, but a bit of an understatement. That was my teammate's fault. She was really bad at it. In a good way, though. Gotta show love.
Gotta show love.
We also had a cup of love, which I'm expressing right now. They did really good for what they tried to do. I had to do most of it, though. 2 tablespoons of kind. They tried to put kindness, but I made sure that didn't happen, so it's just kind. 4 cups of grace, 3 teaspoons of forgiveness, and then 3 gallons of happiness.
Snap them out. I like the 3 gallons of happiness, and thank you for the
It's actually
presentation.
5. I knew
Oh,
that.
pardon me. 5 gallons, all the better.
Out of 10.
So, and look at poor Silas. Oh, and Silas.
Shots fired.
Shots fired is right. Okay.
He's only in our group because he got fired from his last one.
Hey, that may be true, but we still love them.
We do.
So ours is called Recipe for No Monster. We have 1 factory of logic.
Definitely. A whole factory of logic.
That's a
I
lot
can't
of
even
logic.
read it. 1 cup of friends.
Yes.
1 gallon of forgiveness. 2 tablespoons of ignorance. 1 hint of love. 2 gallons of Jesus.
Jesus fixes it all.
2 halves of grace.
Yes.
And 2 cups of chocolate.
Love it. You got all the way down. Great job. Raise your hand if you were in this group. No, you were not. And I'm lost somebody. Wait.
Gabby, she's right there.
Oh, Gabby. All right, snap them out. Great job, you guys. Snap them out.